And take a look at the 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.